Upright parking lot. It was so fresh, like the blood was still fucking red, like pouring out of it and shit. Somebody ran it over. Look at this. Come here.
Yo, I gotta see
Get that bird.
Yes, dude. What about them arms, kid?
I can only put my hand
Oh, by the way, I
in my
talked
pocket.
about the bird that landed in the
We got these arms.
That bird.
They hurt, nigga. Oh, you got a damn son dead bird.
What was it, like a
That
sparrow?
shit is dead.
Ew.
What you know about that bird?
Hater, what you know about dead bird?
What you know about that bird? What you know about that bird?
That
What you
bird.
know that
We
bird?
eating 5 dead birds with bacon
That bird.
That bird.
and sauce.
No, nah, nigga. Fuck that. That bird, nigga. That's what's all about, nigga. That bird. That bird. That bird.
Yo, so you got dead bird and dead arms.
I got these arms, nigga. These arms came straight from the factory.
Did everyone see the dead bird in the cereal box prank?
That
I'm
bird.
pretty sure.